Hi everyone! Today we're going to make a wire sculpture. It's an easy craft and it makes a great decoration for a bookshelf. I'm not the first one to do this craft, but I got the idea while I was watching a video about how the animators working on the new movie Soul conceptualized a certain character. These animators created this little wire sculpture and I just thought it looked so cool as a sculpture itself that I wanted to make it immediately. And I want to share it with you guys. So if you come to the library, Martinsburg Public Library, and pick up one of these kits, you will have a chance to win a prize. So we have a Funko Pop from the movie that I was inspired by, Soul. And if you send us in a photo of your finished sculpture, you can maybe win this prize. So I'm really looking forward to seeing your photos of your sculptures, and let's get into our craft project. After you pick up your kit from the library, there are a couple basic things you're going to need to provide from home: paper, pen, and tape. In your kit, you'll get some wire and a base for your sculpture. You'll also have a template for drawing your sculpture shape. I'm gonna wing it here, so wish me luck. It doesn't work out as well as I had. Well, I didn't plan it, so it doesn't work out, but you can watch me mess up here. So I'm drawing a continuous line drawing. This is a technique where you basically don't pick up your pen and draw all of the shapes of a face or whatever figure you're creating. I chose to draw a face for this sculpture because it's just like a really easy, recognizable object. And I was also inspired by the counselors from the movie Soul, of course, and their faces are really cool, so I wanted to replicate something like that. So I'm working on a new contour drawing here since the first one was a big mistake, and I'm happy with that. So now that I've got a little template for my sculpture, I'm just going to follow it with this wire that's very easily bendable, and it might be hard to follow exactly along with your line drawing, but it definitely helps to at least start out by following a drawing for the sculpture. So you just kind of bend your wire in the shape of the face. And some of the wire might be very, very long, and you can actually cut this wire with scissors really easily. So just make sure that you have enough wire to make your one continuous line, but after that you can cut it so that it's a little less unwieldy. Your kits come with pre-drawn templates as well. If you don't want to freelance your own sculpture, you can work with one of the kit templates. Okay, so I decided to cut mine finally because it's so long. Save that because you might want to add another piece of the sculpture from the other side. So I'm bending some squiggly lines for hair, and then make sure that the bottom of your sculpture has a little tail. That's what you're going to use to make the stand. So the next step is to insert this sculpture into your plaque. So you'll see that there are two tiny holes drilled into the wooden plaque, and you're just going to thread the wire through, all the way through, and then bend it at the bottom of the plaque. And this should give your sculpture enough security to actually stand up. And I'm just going to tape the bottom to make sure that it stays in place. And there you go. You've got your little sculpture. And I have decided that I'm going to make another piece to go on the other side. So that's it for this easy craft. I hope you guys have a lot of fun with this one. Remember to come to the Martinsburg Public Library downtown to pick it up, and also remember to email us a photo of your finished sculpture. You can email ejones@nbcpl.org, or you can send your photo to our Facebook page. So I'm really looking forward to seeing your sculptures. Thank you for joining me. Goodbye.